Why worry? Mastering relative clauses with why. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting part of English grammar, relative clauses. Specifically, we'll focus on the use of the relative adverb, why, in forming and connecting clauses. Let's unravel the mystery of why together. First, let's remind ourselves what relative clauses are. These are types of clauses that allow us to give more information about something without starting a new sentence. They are usually introduced by a relative pronoun like who, which, that, or a relative adverb such as when, where, why. Now let's talk about why. When used as a relative adverb, why usually introduces a relative clause giving a reason for something. It's equivalent to for which, and generally follows a noun that denotes reason, cause, or purpose. Here's where it gets more interesting. When forming a clause using why, the clause tends to follow a noun of reason. For example, the reason why I'm late is that I missed the bus. Here, why is introducing the relative clause, why I'm late, which is giving us more information about the reason. But how about connecting clauses with why? This is also possible. If we have two sentences that are closely related, we can use why to join them together. Look at this example. I don't know. That's why I'm asking. In this case, why is linking the cause, I don't know, to the effect. That's why I'm asking. Well, there you have it. Using why in relative clauses is not as tricky as it might seem at first. The more you practice, the more naturally it will come to you. Remember, why is your go-to relative adverb when you're discussing reasons, causes, or purposes. Happy learning, and I'll see you in our next video.